Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, we got a good one for you today. Listen, it's hot as blue blazes out here, but we're gonna cook anyway, all right? I've got some beautiful catfish fillets. Warm weather, here in the South, we go fishing. So, let's smoke some catfish fillets. Now, I'm gonna marinate them. I'm gonna put them in the marinade and then come back out and cook it. So, hang tight. All right, let's make up our marinade. All right, first we're gonna start with half a cup of olive oil. Half a cup of olive oil. 3 spoons, 3 tablespoons of honey. That's 3. Half a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Teaspoon of dill. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 3 teaspoons of smoked paprika. 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, this half a cup of mayonnaise. You know it's got to be Duke's. I like to use fresh lemon. The recipe calls for a tablespoon, but I just squeeze the 2 halves. I like lemon with fish. And move it over so you can see. This is just dill pickles, and the recipe calls for 2 to 3 tablespoons. I just like to chop it up fairly fine. Three teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of horseradish, next we're gonna take our wicks and just mix this all up good. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. All right, let me get the fish ready. I'll bring you right back. All right, well, here we go. This is 3 pounds, give or take, of catfish. And I bet you can guess, if you've watched the channel, what I'm about to put on my fish. And that is gator shake. It's hard to beat gator shake. And it is Cuff and Stuff approved. Thank you, Uncle Steve. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. Very simple. Get my whisk out of here. I'm gonna take these pieces of fish and I'm just gonna dredge down in that marinade and make sure I get it all over it. Throw it in the bag. And that's it. Dredge. Throw it in the bag. Dredge. Throw it in the bag. You're gonna have to excuse that little bit of wind background noise, that thing I got around my neck. Drops the temperature out here about 20 degrees. All right, and in the bag. In the bag, and the last one. And then let me get this off. Do I have a spoon over here? Maybe I do. There we go. All right, I'm gonna take the leftover out of this bowl, dump it right on top. All right, and I have a little trick of getting the air out. The lid on its side like that. Right before it comes out, we'll do this. Now, this bag is going in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. We'll see how much longer than that. Next time you see me, I'll have the smoker up to temp and we'll be going on the smoker. So stick with me. All right, well, here are our fillets. I don't know whether you can see those because of this light. There we go. Grill's up to 240. They've marinated for 4 hours. And so I'm gonna take them in and I'm gonna lay them like this, just in a row. And there we go. That's 6 fillets up in there. Now, I'm expecting total cooking time to be about between 40 minutes to an hour, okay? So I'm gonna keep an eye on it, and as we check on it, I'll bring you back. All right, we're exactly 1 hour in on smoke time. All right, so I'm gonna check and see. Let me get out of the way here. Oh yeah, okay. That's looking good and flaky to me. All right. All right. So I'm going to take these off, put them in this little half catering pan, and we're going over to the table. We're going to try these. So I'm cheating, I know. Come on over to the table with me. All right. We let these cool off for just a minute. Oh, that's so flaky. Look at that bite. My goodness. The flavor from Uncle Steve's gator shake and that marinade, perfect, perfect. This is your bite I'm gonna take for you. That's so good. Hey, listen, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, do me a favor. Hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you right over here. How about give me the thumbs up? Until next time, hang tight. Please, be good to one another. Hang tight.